Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Business Location Finder tool. This tool accepts a list of websites and it will download each website and try and extract the website's addresses. It does this using a big database of postcodes and zip codes and towns, etc. And it's worth noting that it currently only supports the UK, the US and Canada. So if you enter a website that's a French website, it will load the website, but it won't be able to find the French addresses because at the moment it only recognizes UK and US and Canadian addresses. So for this demo, we've entered a list of UK domains where we would expect to find UK addresses. We'll click the Start button and then we'll come back in a few minutes when it's downloaded those websites, downloaded their home pages, their contact pages, etc. and it's tried to work out what the addresses are on each website. So we've come back a couple of minutes later. You can see it's worked its way through all the websites and now we've got a ton of addresses here and we'll go through these results now. So obviously not every website has an address on it. Some tiny businesses don't have their address on, and even some large corporations don't have addresses on. So we won't be able to pick out an address for every website. So let's have a look at some of the results. So here you can see this is a found column, so it'll tell you whether it obviously found one or not. Sometimes a website can't be loaded, it'll say cannot load. If we find multiple addresses, there'll be multiple entries for the domain, like here. And we'll also give you the latitude and longitude as well, which we can work out from the postcode we found. Now it's probably worth looking at the export options here because this tool produces quite a lot of data and you'll probably want to export it out of the tool to process it more yourself. So top export option here will simply export everything. Now you can use these filters here to filter it down to more useful things. So for example, if you want to remove any errors and want to remove the not found ones and want to remove the not load ones, you can do that. And here you see we have just the websites where we found addresses. And if you click this bottom export option here, it will export the results as you have filtered them here. So that concludes our demo for now. Hopefully you can see it's a very simple tool to use. You enter a list of websites and it will pull out all the American, Canadian, British addresses that it can find on those websites. And as always, thank you for watching.